Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is on connecting Oracle free tier database with your Node.js application. Okay, so you have to go into this website for accessing the database. You can create a free tier account by adding a credit card here. Okay, after you log in, you will get a mail in which you will have your cloud account name. Okay, once you click on next, you will be asked for the email and the password. So once you have entered, uh, hope you might have authenticated with your application. Okay, so once I have logged in into my system, there is a option to create an ATP database. Okay, within this ATP database, you can mark this as always free, so that you can create always free database configuration here. Okay, then you have to create a username and a password. So the username will be admin by default, and password will be whatever you want. Will be just copy pasting this. Okay, and the email you want to enter. Okay, I'm not entering it right now. Then just click on create. Okay, after some time the database will be created. Right now it is in the provisioning stage, and once the database is deployed, you will get a wallet file there. Okay, so let us wait until the database is getting deployed. I have already one of the databases. Okay, and as you are able to see that there are online terminals to execute this query. Okay, also the wallet file that you are able to get it from this option, and these are the connection strings by which we will connect our Node.js application. Okay, so let us see if our database is deployed. Okay, so I think I created this on 1st April. Yeah, so this database is available, and you can download the wallet file by entering the password. So it was the same that I entered here. I am going to delete it. Okay, afterwards. Okay, so you have the wallet file downloaded as a zip file here. Okay, now you can download this Oracle SQL developer bench. Okay, and here you can create a new connection. You can add it as Oracle demo db. Okay. Username will be admin by default, and the password is the one that you have added while setting up this database, and the connection type should be cloud wallet. Okay, and yeah, cloud wallet. You can browse the configuration file. So I have it in downloads folder, and the file which I downloaded was this one. So it will be named something like wallet mj. Yeah, so this is the file. Once I click on test, it will test the connections with my remote ORM. Okay, So let us wait till the database is getting tested. Yeah, so the status is success and you can click on save. So my database is added here and you can click on connect to view all the configuration, like the saved configuration in your local ID. So it is creating a connection, just you need to wait for a minute. Yeah, so connection is successfully created. So once your database is added here, you have to configure Oracle client installation in your local machine. Okay, so it will be added as per the device you are having. So I am having macOs. So once you go here, uh, as per the system, you have to click on download now option. And for macOS I am having Apple Silicon version, so I am having this. I have to download this DMG file here. Okay, so once the DMG file is added, you have to follow the installation instructions here. Okay, so you have to go into the path where you have downloaded this. So I will go to the terminal. I will go to the download directory. Okay, then I will add this command. So verify your file name before entering any such command. So I can just copy paste it. Okay, so I will just replace this with the DMG file which I downloaded. Okay, so you will get such message after you apply this command, and you have to go into the volumes folder of that specific file, DMG file that you have downloaded. Okay, so I will just copy paste it. So you are inside this directory, then you have to add this, you have to run this scripting file here. So okay, so once you run this command, you will get an instant client folder generated in your directory. Okay, so let us make a new directory for me. So I will make directory Oracle node. Okay, I will go inside this directory Oracle node. I have to open this in my VS Code. So this is the directory. Okay, I will do npm init here. Okay, so I will add all the required dependencies. So it is added here. Then I will do npm Oracle DB. I will install this package as a dependency. So Oracle DB is added. Make sure it is of latest version. Now you have to download you have to add two files. So the first one is this install client 23_3 and the wallet file. You have to unzip that file and add it in the root directory. Okay, so the wallet file has all the required information, like where it is stored, and it also has a public private key. Okay, so inside this you need to provide the path of the wallet that you have added. Okay, yeah, so this is the path. Once you have added, you need to create a new file in the root directory, which is index.js. Once you this app setup done, we will create our Oracle instance to connect with our Node.js app. So we will add Oracle DB equal to require Oracle DB. Okay, now you can init a connection with an Oracle client. So we have an inbuilt method to add the Oracle client. Okay, inside this you have to provide two values. One is the lib directory where this folder is there, so you just have to copy the path and add it here. Then we have the config directory where the wallet folder is there, so you just have to copy paste and provide the access of the path. Okay, then then you have to create a pull connection, so you can add the pullmax query. You can add other configurations too, and let us create an async function named as app. I will just call it below the declaration. Okay, now let us create a variable called connection. I will add a try catch handler here, so if at all any connections are not there, I will just add a log that connection failed due to the error. Okay, then I will add a finally string where we have to disconnect our database from the pull connections that we have developed. So if connections are there, I will just add connection.close. Okay, so it will close the connection. Now let us try creating a pool, or we can directly get the connection. So connection will be equal to Oracle DB dot get connection. Okay, so here you have to add couple of credits. So username is admin, that we have already seen. Password is the same that you have added while configuring this database. Then you have to add email, password, and the connection string, connect string. So where you will get the connection string, you need to revisit the wallet folder, and here you have the high availability string, so you can just copy paste it from there. And yeah, that's it. Now let us try executing a query. So I will add a query. Before that, I will just add a log that DB is successfully connected. DB connected. Okay, and I will execute the query here. So I will just create a table called as user. Okay, as simple as that. It will have an ID of type number, let's say name of varchar2, let's try 2 with 20. Okay, so I hope things are clear till now. So it is giving invalid table name error. Yeah, so there are certain rules that you have to follow while creating table names in Oracle DB. So DB is connected, and let us try searching the tables. So you are able to see I am having a user table, and I am having the ID and the name column as per the definition I have added. And same thing you will be able to see in the database that you have added. Okay, so I will just hit the SQL part, and within the online portal you will be able to see how you can query the database. Okay, so here I am having the same query that I have added, so you can just hit into this and enjoy your free database service. So this is really amazing, and no data found. Yeah, so this is really amazing and I found this very much useful, so I have added a video on this, and I'm going to add some exciting videos on it on Oracle cloud infrastructure. We will be also getting ourselves used towards this kind of architectures, and a lot more services that Oracle provides us for free. So this is very much exciting for us. So thanks for watching the video till now, and I hope you are already enjoying the series, and we are going to add a lot more content in this part. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye bye, have a nice day.